Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got this nice Underwood 5, Touchmaster 5, and just going to highlight what it's called a Tabulator Decelerator. So when you use tabs on typewriters and send the carriage that way, generally you need to slow it down because it goes too fast. If this was just disengaged up here and you let it free fall, it would slam super fast. Too fast. So tabulators, when you use a tab, it sends it that way. You don't need it to slam, you need it paced out a little bit. So it's got a decelerator. So it actually slows that down instead of going unrestricted full speed. So let's put a tab stop in here, set right there. So it goes to the center and stops. It goes to the end. Alright, let me clear that tab out here. Clear. Okay, so let's look at the back here. I'll show you what this one's got for a decelerator. I thought it was kind of neat, so I took this panel off here. It's comes off pretty easy. And decelerator on this one is right here. This little gizmo there. And it's pretty neat. So if I move the carriage by hand, it does nothing. That piece just sits there. Doesn't do anything. Maybe a little bit of movement, but really it's just disconnected. And if I type on it, nothing. Spacebar, nothing. But if I use the tab button up here, it engages. It's like that. So what this does is a centrifugal type of clutch. It's got a couple paws there, so when it spins, it causes resistance in there, so it doesn't slam as hard as it might without it. This little gizmo engages the clutch. This is, triggers the tab. That's all connected to this. If I engage that piece here and hit the space bar, that piece will move. If I let it go, it doesn't go. So that's what engages it. Engages this little clutches inside of here. And can't really see that part of it, but so that's how she works. I'm going to send it across full speed with the tab. Here we go. And there it goes. Pretty neat. So that's called a Tabulator Decelerator. And different machines have different ways of doing that. But this one I thought was kind of neat and accessible, and I would highlight it. So there she goes. And then when you move the carriage, nothing. Until you hit the tab. Tabulator Decelerator. Alright, good day.